Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm very good.
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan, and you?
I'm from England, but I live in Italy.
Okay.
So why are you learning English?
So the first of all, I say that English is international language, so we need to learn it, and also it helps us in workplaces. It's needed for workplaces.
hmm
So
Have you ever been to England?
no, no.
Would you like to go?
Yeah, of course. I like.
Why? What attracts you to England? Why would you
I
like to?
love to work there. I'm a software engineering student, so I may want that I work there.
So when you graduate, would you like to work in England?
Yeah, yeah.
Right. And what are you studying, did you say?
I'm software engineering student.
Right. So what sort of job do you want to get?
Of course, we'll be doing work at software houses or
And developing software.
yeah, developing software. Yes, of course.
Right. And what do you do with your free time?
Sometime I watch talk shows, learn English, and
hmm Do you like
um,
sport?
yeah, in sport I like cricket.
hmm
Like to play cricket and also like to watch live matches, highlights, and
So whereabouts in the country do you live? Do you live in the north or in the south?
in the north.
Is it a big city?
Yeah, not too big, but an average in Pakistan.
And have you lived there all your life? Is this where you were born?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, it was nice speaking to you. There's only 30 seconds left. Okay, nice to meet
Okay.
you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Have a good
Bye.
conversation with you.
Bye.